It was good, everybody. Just getting ready to an install on a wicker bill. Quite common, everyone's done them, but everybody wants to be seen, so here it is. In brief, all I've already done is ported out my holes, and you can see them accordingly. Probably took maybe 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Make sure you port out the center depending on who you have your wicker bill through. So some I've noticed, like on my other Dodge products, you ported the center hole first, but on this one I had to port both side holes and then work my way out accordingly. So that's one of the things you most definitely want to make sure that you do. Then from there, like I said, this is, so many people have done this. I just want to give a brief. I've already pulled off all my plastic for the most part off of our glasses. We're going to step back a little bit. Also removed the Dodge badge off of the car as well with fishing wire and some glue gun for the cleanup. I'm gonna go get it washed tomorrow. So this is the last part of the wicker bill. Like I said, I've already removed the plastic from the larger piece. And all I'm going to be doing now is just really cleaning all of the last pieces and putting them on. And that's going to be it. So I guess one of the life lessons about working on cars, just like in the church or anything else, is to be ordered, or know your order, at least the order in which you're going to do the process. So I've seen and done enough wicker bills to know the process relatively quick. So you're gonna take your last two screws, octagon 1/8, 1/8, and put them on accordingly on the rivets. So I'm probably gonna redo these later, but since I haven't figured out what the final color scheme is gonna be for these, for right now, I'm just gonna keep them the gunmetal, and I should have gotten a black gunmetal as well, but I'll probably end up redoing these again and coloring these to match either the blue in the car or black, because I know I'm gonna probably get the car redone in a couple months. So you take the short piece, put it on the outside, and I've seen people do this different ways. But seemingly, you always want to start from the center pieces. Now, let me say this too. When I put this on, I did use a spacer because if you leave it down, I've been told, and I've looked at enough reviews to realize that you will scratch up your trunk if you do not have that space gapping. So I'm going to wrap this up because we're going to look at this tomorrow in the daylight, and I'll probably do and that's basically the same way you want to start the entire process. You want to start with these 2 holes, then start marking off each rivet, and then when you do your drill outs, you want to drill these 2. Then I actually did my ends first or second and then started. So that's really the entire process. Didn't take that long. Do these. All right, well, that's it. I'll see y'all in the morning. Peace.